Well, got the side skirts on. Cleaned it on up quite a bit. Looking good. Got my bumper to fender retainers on. So I got some nice clean edges there. No more sucked in bumper. Nice clean edges. Headlights restored. Looking pretty. Got it all washed up, looking good. Sorry for the shaky footage, I'm walking in my yard. But she's all cleaned up. Side skirts on, bumper to fender retainers on, and I've had a little luck with the turbo. I'm still not sure if the seals are blown or not. I changed my oil filter out. I heard somewhere on forums that switching different oil filters could cause higher oil pressures and cause it to push through and stuff like that. I'm also leaning towards a PCV valve, maybe. I'm not exactly sure yet, but we will find out if that's the case or not. But otherwise, the exterior's done. It's ready for paint. The only other thing that possibly needs to be done is maybe the turbo. Other than that, it's completely done. So I'm really looking forward to that. Sorry, I'm in my work clothes. Hopefully you can't see who I work for. It's against the law. But yeah, finally done. Hopefully done with it. I need it painted, and if the turbo winds up being the issue with this car, then I'm going to have to replace the turbo, but I still have the stock one to go on, so that'll go on, and it will get painted. Other than that, this project's done, and hopefully I got something coming soon for y'all. I'm sorry, I just got off work. I know I look like trash right now, but hopefully I got something in store for y'all. I'm not going to say what it is, but wink, wink, it might be another WRX. Not going to say for sure, but it might be. Let's just say it might be, and it might be red. So, who knows? It's in the works. I'm trying to get it done right now. If it works out, then great. If it doesn't, then oh well. But, you know, just want to put something out there for you guys and everything like that. And want to let y'all know the update on the STI is getting ready to get painted. If the turbo problem doesn't exist anymore after I drive it a few more times and maybe change the PCV valve, and this project will be done. It has to be painted, and it's done. It's been completely rebuilt from a wrecked front end. So other than that, we're all good to go, and then we're on to the next project. So thank you guys for tuning in, and see you next time.